Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss Static GK Indian Constitution questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful. As we launch CMAT crash course, which includes day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics. The price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks with latest pattern ₹299. Link is given in description. Please visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Under Article Dash of the Constitution of India, the quorum to constitute a sitting of the House is 1/10 of the total number of members of the House. The correct answer is B, that is Article 100. Let's check the next question. The Finance Commission in India is constituted by the dash under Article 280 of the Constitution. The correct answer is D, President. So, the Finance Commission is constituted by the President under Article 280 of the Constitution. Mainly, it is recommendation on distribution of tax revenues between the Union and states and amongst the states themselves. Let's check the next question. Constitution of India has how many parts? So, the correct answer is C, that is 25. Constitution has 25 parts. The Constitution has a preamble and 470 articles which are grouped into 25 parts and with 12 schedules and 5 appendices. Okay, so how many times it is amended? It's amended at 104 times and the last amendment was effective on 25th January 2020. Let's check the next question. As per the Constitution of India, Panchayats at the intermediate level may not be constituted in a state having a population not exceeding. The correct answer is B, 20 lakh. Let's check the next question. The quorum to constitute a sitting of the Lok Sabha is dash of the total number of members of the House under Article 103 of the Constitution of India. The correct answer is 1/10. So, it is 1/10 of the total number of members of the House under Article 103 of the Constitution of India. Let's check the next question. Which article of Indian Constitution constitutes abolition of untouchability? The correct answer is A, Article 17. So, untouchability is abolished and its practice in any form is forbidden. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with the law. Let's check the next question. When did Constituent Assembly adopt the Constitution of India? The correct answer is A, 26th November 1949. So, the Constitution of India was adopted on 26th November 1949 and it is signatured by honorable members on 24th January 1950 and there are total 284 members who signed this. Let's check the next question. The Supreme Court has declared access to the internet a fundamental right under Article Dash of the Indian Constitution. So, the correct answer is D, Article 19. So, the Supreme Court has declared access to the internet a fundamental right under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution and this ruling came on hearing of a plea in connection with internet blockade in Jammu and Kashmir. Let's check the next question. Which of the following articles deal with right to constitutional remedies? The correct answer is A, Article 32. So, Article 32 deals with the right to constitutional remedies, or we can say affirm the right to move the Supreme Court by appropriate proceedings for the enforcement of the rights conferred in Part 3 of the Constitution. Let's check the next question. Which one of the following objective is not embodied in the Preamble to the Constitution of India? The correct answer is B, liberty of movement. Let's check the next question. Under which article of Indian Constitution a constitutional amendment bill can be represented? The correct answer is C, Article 368. Legislatures are presented to the President under Article 360A of the Constitution, under which the President is bound to give assent to such bills. Let's check the next question. How many fundamental rights, including the right to property, were provided by the Constitution of India originally to its citizen? The correct answer is B. There are 7 fundamental rights which is provided by the Constitution of India originally to its citizen. So, the 7 fundamental rights are the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, then right to property and right to constitutional remedies. Let's check the next question. Imposition of President's rule in a state is specified by which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is D, Article 356. So, under Article 356, if a state government is unable to function according to the constitutional provision, the union government can take the direct control of the state machinery. Let's check the next question. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with 22 official languages recognized by the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is C, 8th. So, as per Article 344 and 351 of the Indian Constitution, the 8th schedule includes the recognition of the following 22 languages. Let's check the next question. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with which of the following? The correct answer is A, Abolition of Untouchability. The enforcement of any disability arising out of untouchability shall be an offence punishable in accordance with the law. Let's check the next question. Which of the following languages is not in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is B, Pali. Let's check the next question. Financial emergency is mentioned in which of the following articles of Indian Constitution? The correct answer is C, Article 360. So, in Article 360, the Constitution of India empowers the President to proclaim a financial emergency on a following grounds, and that grounds is if President is satisfied that the situation has arisen due to financial stability or credibility of India and it's threatened or in danger, in that case President declare the financial emergency. Let's check the next question. Who among the following drafted Article 370 of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is C, Gopalaswami Ayyangar. Let's check the next question. The definition of money bills is given in which article of the Constitution of India? The correct answer is A, Article 110. The Constitution of India 1949. So, this definition of money bill for the purpose of this chapter. So, Article 110 in the Constitution of India 1949. Let's check the next question. Right to property according to Indian Constitution is which type of right? The correct answer is B, legal right. Let's check the next question. Idea of concurrent list, trade and commerce provisions of our constitution is observed from which country's constitution? The correct answer is B, Australia. Let's check the next question. According to the Indian Constitution, right to education comes under which article? The correct answer is B. So, right to education comes under Article 21A. The Right to Education Act 2009, also known as RTE Act 2009, was enacted, and it was enacted by the Parliament of India on 4th August 2009. And in this it's described that importance of free and compulsory education for the children who aged between 6 to 14 years in India. Let's check the next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution specifies the fundamental duties of every citizen? The correct answer is A, Article 51A. So, the fundamental duties of citizen were added to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976 under Article 51A Part 4A, that is Part 4A. Let's check the next question. The Constitution under Article Dash mandates the Election Commission to conduct elections to the Parliament and the State Legislatures. The correct answer is B, Article 324. Article 324 of the Constitution provides the power of superintendence, direction and control of election to Parliament, State Legislatures and the Office of President of India and the Office of Vice President of India. Let's check the next question. In which year was the first amendment of the Constitution of India made? The correct answer is B, 1951. So, statement of objects and reason appended to the Constitution. So, that is First Amendment Bill 1951, and which was enacted the Constitution First Amendment Act 1951. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.